Hello students, we'll see today the practical of linear dipole. Now this is our setup of the linear dipole in which the main unit of the transmitter and receiver is AMS antenna measurement system. It has RF out and RF detector. It has the panel and stepper motor input, and this one is the keypad. RF out is connected to the transmitter linear dipole, and RF in or RF detector is connected to the receiver antenna, and it is linear dipole. So today we will see the characteristics of the linear dipole. First, what we will do, we will start software of AMS2. Then it will open the GUI of Academica 5. Then we are going to select the control, and in that control, PC control we are going to select. Okay, and then COM port 3. Okay. Now we will start the main unit, in which it must be in the PC control board. Press menu key is there. After that, press menu for PC, and after that enter. So software control mode is selected. Now what we are going to do, we are going to do the practical related to find out the far field pattern of the antenna. So here in the main experiment, which antenna measurement system is there, its a GUI is there, and in that GUI, so selection of the main experiment, that is far field pattern, we are going to select far field pattern. Second experiment, second one is the polarization, that is copolarization. Copolarization is nothing but the polarization state of the transmitter antenna and receiver antenna same. So type of antenna, it is the wire type of antenna. We are going to select the wire type of antenna. And last one is in wire which antenna is there, that is linear dipole. So linear dipole. Okay. Now we are going to start, and after the starting, it asks for is it you have to start, so we have to start. Then next it asks for means what are the transmitter antenna, receiving antenna, transmitting is dipole, receiving is the linear dipole, length of the dipole, and all this thing. Now start. After that, what happens, this antenna is receiving antenna is going to revolve for 360 degree around it, and whatever the reception of the signal is there, that reception of the signal is captured by the main unit, and capture whatever the main unit is there when it is connected to the computer. As it is connected to the computer, then whatever the data stored, collected by the RF detector, that is transferred to the antenna software, that is antenna measurement system software in the PC. After that, it is going to draw the pattern. So that part we will see. First, let complete its one revolution, and then we go further. Length of linear dipole, that is lambda by 2, actually they are taking every time. It is revolved back its position, and then what happens here in antenna measurement system, there is a drawing of the pattern on the polar plot. So this particular is the polar plot of the linear dipole antenna. Okay. So whatever the readings of angle versus power, these particular readings also we are going to save, and we are going to measure observe all the different parameters of this particular antenna. Now go in file, save reading. We are going to save the reading right there. Today's date is no 8-9 dipole बनायचं D save. Okay, second file, we have to save polar plot. Save polar plot. Okay, 8-9 dipole. Save. Okay, then you see the step angle. Go for step angle. Step angle is 5.4 degree. That is the spacing between the step angle is 5.4 degree. System. Plot laza. Cartesian plot, polar plot, and the inverse square law. So two polar plots we are going to see here: polar plot and the Cartesian plot. Okay. So measurement we will see broadly after this. So we will stop here.